lakes, volcanoes, and thou.
We are so excited about our adventures this summer that it actually has us thinking a little bit about some of the adventures we did this last summer in 2020 and some that we didn't get a chance to share with you before. So we're going to share a little bit of what we did this last summer, and maybe it'll give you and us some more ideas of what you want to do as camping season starts.
And we're going to have a little preview of something that's going to be helping our adventures to come.
We are the learners and makers.
Up in the Cascades, there are all these lakes. Scads of lakes. They've been made by every, volcanoes and all sorts of crazy geological phenomenon. But there's just this row of lakes all throughout the mountains, and they are gorgeous and paddleable and campable and just a couple hours away.
Yeah, we shared a video of Clear Lake, which is a really special, unique lake. But last summer, we also went to a lake called Hosmer Lake, and we camped with some friends, and they had a canoe.
This area is a Cascade Lake that, appropriately enough, is off the Cascade Lakes Highway. So it really does what it says on the tin there.
Now that we've been around this area, which we had before, but we've never been with a boat. So now that when we had access to a boat, we are really excited to explore the Cascade Lakes region more and really kind of get an idea of the personality of all the different lakes in that area.
And this trip was really important to us too. This was, in the midst of the summer of 2020, so we were camping with friends. So we're actually seeing people.
Yeah.
The kids could play with some friends they hadn't seen in months, and we could just be out and about, still being careful, but just enjoy some of the wonders of the state and enjoy time with people we care about, and also get in a few new experiences that were really inspiring for us. So here and there throughout my and Jody's relationship, we have done the occasional little boating trip. A little bit of whitewater kayaking here, a little bit of sea kayaking there. And we've always talked about like, oh man, it'd be so cool if we did this more often.
I think pretty much every time we've traveled somewhere, if kayaking was an option, that was a priority.
Yes.
We have kayaked a lot of different places in a lot of different ways.
But you know what? We haven't kayaked in enough places.
That's true.
So it is time for us to sort that out. Thank you so much for being part of our adventures today.
Lego, Lego, Lego! Just start again.
Thank you so much for being part of our adventures today, and we can't wait to show you our kayaking adventures and more. You can follow our everyday adventures on Instagram at Learners and Makers. On YouTube, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ding that bell so you get notified as soon as we drop our next video. We'll see you next time.
Bye!
Lakes. We're watching a tennis match. Good evening, this is Learners and Makers. I'm Anthony Crondike Cooper.
That's not your real name.